Hello, my name is Anurag Tiwari. I'm a student of Kent Institute holding the student ID of K2322181, and this is week 9 of Cloud and Beyond. In week 9, we are asked to make a video presentation covering the 5 questions, which are mostly about SLAs. So I'd like to start my presentation. So hello everyone. Today I'll discuss Service Level Agreement, also known as SLAs, for cloud computing. Firstly, I'd like to elaborate SLA for cloud computing, which is also a formal agreement between a cloud service provider and a customer that guarantees the quality and performance of cloud services, which explains service expectations such as availability, reliability, response time, warranties, and action taken if the service fails. SLAs are important because they help ensure the customer satisfaction and clearly define what services the provider will deliver. Nextly, an SLA is not a one-way solution because both the cloud provider and the customer should agree on terms together. The provider should not make all decisions alone, as customer may have different expectations. Also, an SLA is not a quick process because both parties need to understand terms, responsibilities, and service expectations properly. Now, let's discuss the step to evaluate cloud service agreement. Organizations should understand roles and responsibility, review business policies, understand service and deployment models, identify performance goals, evaluate security and privacy need, prepare for service failure, understand disaster recovery plans, define governance processes, and know the exit process if service need to end. Moving on to SLA substances, they are the important parts included in an SLA. They include a description of services, which explains what services are provided, performance supervision to measure service quality, problem administration to manage unexpected issue, customer responsibilities, license and remedies, security and privacy, disaster recovery, and business continuity realm, followed by service termination, which explains how service end. Finally, there are several SLAs challenge. SLAs can be difficult because cloud systems are shared among many users and some infrastructure, such as networks, is outside full provider control. New cloud provider may also struggle to provide strong SLAs, and increasing user can create more pressure on them or in the system. In conclusion, SLAs are very important in cloud computing because they define responsibilities, improve service quality, reduce misunderstanding, and help to build the trust between cloud provider and customer. Thank you so much. I'd like to conclude my today's lecture. See you in the next one.